The Timekettle W4 Pro earbuds can translate conversations almost instantly, which means people can now understand my bad jokes in multiple languages. So in this Timekettle W4 Pro review, I'm testing if Timekettle Translator Earbuds can handle travel, calls, meetings, and foreign language videos without making the whole conversation feel awkward. And before I start testing these Timekettle W4 Pro AI interpreter earbuds, I've got a unique deal for you. Scan the QR code on screen immediately or just use the link in the description to check it out. All right, let's open the box. Inside, you get the W4 Pro earbuds. You get a USB charging cable in here. You get a little user manual, and you get this charging case. It's 3.2 by 3.2 by 1.6 inches, or 83 by 83 by 42 millimeters, and it's about 188 grams total. Weighing in at about 16 grams each, these Translator earbuds sit pretty lightly around the ear. Charging takes about an hour for the earbuds and around an hour and a half for the case. And battery life actually depends on the mode, and it's useful to keep that in mind. So it's 6 hours for translation, 8 hours for calls, and 12 hours if you're listening to music. The manual also has a QR code, which gives quick access to the Timekettle app, since you are going to need it, and you may otherwise find the app on the Google Play or Apple App Store yourself. Now, the main reason that these translation earbuds stand out quite a bit is the app experience. So Timekettle says that the W4 Pro AI supports 52 languages and 106 accents, which covers most of the global population. You can also choose between male and female translation voices, which is a small touch, but it might help match your particular preference. There's also an AI language tutor for Spanish, English, and Chinese. This gives you practice scenarios, suggested replies, and a more guided way to learn through conversation. Therefore, yes, it works as a voice translator, but Timekettle also tries to make it useful for language practice. The main feature, though, is the conversation modes. In one-on-one mode, each person wears one earbud, speaks their own language, and hears the translation through the earbud. One side is marked blue, and the other side is marked green, and the app uses matching colored text bubbles. That makes it easy to keep track of who has which language assigned. Then there's listen and play. This is better for meetings, lectures, or situations where you don't want to hand someone your earbud. In listening mode, translated speech plays into your earbud. In speaking mode, you talk into the earbuds and your phone speaker plays the translated version out loud. There's also offline mode with downloadable language packs for specific pairs, mostly around English, Chinese, Japanese, Korean, French, Spanish, and German. Just remember, the offline list is more limited than the online language support, yet Timekettle does promise to offer more language pack options with time. And for voice pickup, the W4 Pro AI translation earbuds use 3 microphones with vector noise reduction designed to focus on your voice and reduce surrounding sound. So if these language translation earbuds already sound like something that you'd use for travel or work or learning a new language, check out my special Timekettle W4 Pro deal. Use the link in the description or scan the QR code on screen. Timekettle includes free shipping, a 30-day return policy, and a 12-month warranty. So you have sufficient backup after buying. All right, now let's see how these real-time translation earbuds perform with media translation. For the test, I'm going to open one of our localization channels and play a Spanish video. And here's the useful part. Look at this. The Timekettle window starts showing the English translation while the video plays. The subtitles are slightly behind the speaker, but the delay is small enough that it feels close to movie dubbing. Okay, let me try repeating the Spanish line back. Teniendo en cuenta que la versión gratuita de Proton VPN es gratis para siempre. Whew. Okay, maybe my pronunciation still needs work. Timekettle can translate the language, but it cannot save me from sounding like I learned Spanish 5 minutes ago. Now, comfort-wise, the earbuds sit snugly around my ears, and the open ear design feels easy to wear. The audio quality also surprised me since the speaker rests around the ear. I expected thinner sound, but the voices came through clear during this test. After testing the Timekettle W4 Pro, I like how much the Timekettle packed into the app. You get one-on-one translation, listen and play, media translation, subtitles, language tutor tools, offline packs, and voice customization in one place. I also like that the main app experience doesn't sit behind a premium tier. You buy the earbuds, connect the app, and the core feature set is ready to use. I've tried Sonobuds before, and between the two, I'd pick the Timekettle W4 Pro. For me, these are among the best Translator earbuds if you want a feature-heavy option for travel, work, and language practice. Scan the QR code or use the link in the description to check out the special deal, and take a look at my other tech videos next.